Due to the current global recession, a lot of Nigerians nowadays are searching for legit ways to make money just by watching YouTube videos. A lot of people in Nigeria are being laid off from their jobs. They have to look for other methods to earn money other than being a regular employee. For you to click on this video, I believe you are one of them. Many people have resorted to venturing into online businesses, yet there is no easy way since a lot of online businesses have opened since the dawn of the internet way back in the late 1990s. And it is quite hard to compete with established sites such as Google, Amazon, eBay, and others. People have to find other alternatives on how to make money without having to compete with a big website. And that's why I want to share this video with you so that you can make money online just by watching other people's YouTube videos. So, if you are one of those who have always wondered whether it is possible to earn money by watching videos, whether on YouTube, then this very comprehensive and helpful video is for you. For you not to make money on this website is when you click off this video after I show you and start doing everything yourself without having a reasonable knowledge of how to make it work. So, make sure you stick to this video to the end if you really want to know how to make it work. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we drop another interesting video like this. So, now the website we are going to make money by watching YouTube video is picoworkers.com, and I will show you through the steps on how to go about it, so don't skip off. This Pico Workers is an online platform for freelancers that offers you cash for completing short tasks and long-term ongoing jobs too. It describes itself as an online marketplace connecting freelancers with business owners. If you're already familiar with other micro jobs websites in Nigeria, especially the popular one rolladel.com, then Pico Workers might be a site worth considering. It's completely free to join anyway, so after watching this video, you may decide if it's worth a try. Now, let's start from step 1. When you become a member of Pico Workers, you can log into their member dashboard and view all the micro jobs available, including watching YouTube videos and get paid for each. So, let's start by creating an account. The process of creating an account with Pico Workers is straightforward. You only need to provide a full name, email address, and country of residence. When I first signed up on this website, I saw my welcome bonus in my account balance, and if you use this link in the description of this video, you will get your own bonuses too. Step 2. How to make money on Pico Workers by watching YouTube videos. After you sign up and log into your account, Pico Worker website is divided into 2 sections, one for employers and one for workers. Employers post various jobs and small tasks on the site for workers to complete. Some of the most common tasks include signing up for websites, following social medias, and watching YouTube videos, but we only focus on watching YouTube videos. So, after you log into your account, go to the search bar and search for YouTube. You will see all related keywords, so open this one that said watch videos to see all the requirements. Step 3. As a Pico worker, you are only required to complete tasks as per the requirements of the employer and submit proof of completion for you to receive your earnings. So all you have to do is to read instructions carefully after watching the video, then come back and submit the requirements. Don't ever try to submit a false proof because it will result in a red flag and subsequent termination of your account after 3 warnings. Most people do it and end up not making any money. Just make sure you follow the instructions of the YouTube job offer, because if the job is not properly done or you fail to watch the expected minutes, the buyer might not pay you until you submit the job as instructed. Everybody can make money from Pico Workers by watching YouTube videos, so start today and share your reviews soon. Begin making wealth using these simple steps I have given you. If you have any questions, let me know, see it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and bye for now.